Good day traders, welcome to the 31st of January 2017. The trade for this day is called Standard Bank. Now we want to do a long on Standard Bank at a level of 143 Rand. Take profit 151 Rand 70. Stop loss 140 Rand and 80 cents. Looking at the risk and reward calculator, the risk we will carry is about 381 Rand and 77 cents on 100 shares. And the profitability is 702 Rand. So that gives you a 1 to 2 ratio, meaning your risk goes into your reward twice. Take note, as soon as you go for too low quantity of shares, this might affect your opportunity on your risk and reward, giving you worse numbers like this: minus 82 Rand loss, 27 Rand profit. So be clear on the number of quantity of shares you want to trade on this specific trade idea. Looking at the trade itself, Standard Bank, looking at a 4-hour chart, there's a possibility of low ranges happening here of a possibility breakup, and you can see here a bit of support from these levels that I'm indicating here that there might be a breakup happening back to here to the 153 levels. So it's critical to track this closely. Look at this indication as well on the 1-hour chart: breakup, buyers testing the middle and Bollinger level and expecting of a breakup. So be clear on your levels and use your calculated risk and reward clearly. Enjoy the trade.